Hi, I'm Annie Woods for Moms Every Day. My guest today is Candy Slider. She is a physician assistant at Swift Urgent Clinic for Orthopedics. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you.
So if a kid or anyone comes in with a broken bone, traditionally we see these large bulky casts that get put on. Are there other options?
There are other options. You know, after evaluating their injury, sometimes we do have to result back to those fiberglass casts, which we have cast techs that are trained specifically to do that. But some of our other options are other molding materials. There's removable splints. There's some waterproof casting that we have. As our goal is to be able to treat those injuries appropriately, but still allow people to get back to their everyday activities. Kids will be kids. They want to get back onto the field and participate in their sporting activities, and we want to make sure that they're able to do that as well, but still be protected.
Absolutely. It's so nice to know that there are a lot of options out there because, like you said, kids will be kids, and it's very hard to keep them immobile. So good to know that there are some choices. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
If you'd like to learn more on this topic, you can visit us at colotv.com. Thanks for watching.